In this video, I want to show you how you can grow your YouTube channel using Google Ads. So most persons, they want to grow their YouTube channel, and one of the ways you can grow your channel is to use YouTube Ads. There's always a debate if you should do this or not, but the purpose of this video is just to show you how you can do it in case you want to do it. So you need to have two things. First, you need to have a YouTube channel with videos on this channel. So you need to have at least 3 videos on your channel just to give your channel a level of professionalism or a level of seriousness. And you also need to have a Google Ads account. So if you go to your YouTube channel or on the YouTube app, you might see an option to promote from there. But if you wanted to get the best results, this is the best place you should come to, the Google Ads Manager. All right. So I'm inside of the Google Ads Manager, and you have to have a YouTube channel. So I've said it already, and I'm just going to show you the steps. So YouTube channel with videos uploaded, and then Google Ads Manager. So if you come to the Google Ads Manager, you want to come here where we have create a campaign. So you want to create a new campaign. So this is where we start telling Google what we want to do with our advert, because you can do a lot of things on Google, like sales, leads, website traffic, app promotion, awareness, and all of that. But we want to create a campaign without a goal now. So I want you to select campaign without a goal. And this is where you can select what you want to do. Again, like search ad, performance-based, performance marks, demand gen, display ads, shopping ads. I want you to select video. So when you select video, you now have different campaign subtypes or campaign goals. All right, so we can optimize for YouTube views, which is what we are going to do, because we want people to view our YouTube video and then go to our channel and possibly subscribe. You have other things like efficient reach, not skippable reach, target frequency. You want to drive conversions and ad sequences. And at the bottom here, you also have this YouTube subscription and engagement. Do not use this one for now. I want you to use this one. So use this one, and then you click on continue and just click on start new, and want to go to where we start the ad itself. Again, you need to have a video that you are going to use to promote this advert on your channel. So you want to make sure that you've uploaded the video. So your video can be basically what you want it to be, but make sure that it doesn't go against the advertising policies and all of that. So in my case, I'm just going to name this, let's say maybe YouTube channel growth. All right, YouTube channel growth. And you want to select the format. So what we want to do now is we want to do only in feed ads. So we are going to remove skippable in stream, and we are going to remove short ads. We don't want our ads to show on short placement. So we want only this one, in feed. All right, because in feed is where we want our video to go to. So this is where you basically select how much you want to pay per your campaign or per daily budget. So in my case, let's say I want to pay somewhere maybe like $5 daily for the advert. So you can start and you can set an end date and a start date. So I'm making this video in December, so you can say maybe if you wanted it to end maybe in 1 week or 1 month time, maybe 31st December, you can set that here. All right. And this is where you start selecting your display network. So you want to click on that and make sure that we don't want this. We don't want Google partners. We want our videos to show only on YouTube channels. All right. So we also want to select our location. And here you can select multiple locations. But if you wanted to get subscribers, you don't really care about the location where they come from. You want to put it at all countries and territories. So if you keep it broad because you basically want to grow your channel, then this advert will go reach wider audiences. So here you can select your language, but I believe in your case it might be English, but if it is not, you can select search for other language. So mine is English, so I'm going to leave it here. Now you come here, you select no, this is not, doesn't contain EU political adverts. All right. So here we can add related videos, we can add different related videos from our channel so that it can help with engagement. So you can add related videos like 2 videos. So what this means is that as they are showing your ads, they will also show 2 of your videos. So this also helps you to basically maximize, or for you to get even better eyeballs. So what you need to do here is you need to search for the video, all right, the video title here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to search for my name to see if I'm going to get pop-up of videos that I can just use from there and add. So let's say I add maybe, let's say I add this one, all right, and then I can search for another one. I can search for another one. So this is some form of you can call it free advert if you wanted. So why am I struggling to spell my name right? So you can just search for the one you want to use again. So let's say I wanted to also promote this one. So this is how it's going to show. The main advert will be here, which we have not uploaded, but these 2 will also show so that people can see the videos. All right. So you can click on done and you can go to the next phase. So we have additional settings here, which we don't really care much about now, apart from these devices. So if you click on the devices, they might want to show it on all eligible devices, but we don't want them to show it on TV screens because people cannot click subscribe on TV screens. So we want to make sure that we are either only on computers or mobile phones. In short, I would personally prefer only mobile phones and tablets. All right, so you want to take note of that. So this is your ad group and you can name it. I'm just going to leave it at video views now because that's what we are optimizing for. And this is where we start to select our audience. So if you have an audience, you can select them here. All right, if you have an audience that you've saved, you can select them here, but we do not have any. So this is the demographics, and we want to select the people that would match our videos. So let's say if we wanted to reach just men or women for any reason, we are just going to leave it this way because again we are targeting the whole world and we really do not care about their agenda, their age. We just want subscribers to our channel. After that, we go to the next phase, which is keywords and then placement. So if you have any keywords that you want to target particularly, you can put it here. Again, we are not going to target keywords. If you have topics, you can add the topics right here. Again, we are not going to add topics. And the placement, this is where you basically want your adverts to show. So you can put your adverts on other people's YouTube channels or other YouTube videos. All right, again, we really do not want to do that. So what we want to do is we want to come here and we want to put our video. So we are basically allowing YouTube or Google to find the best audience for us. So they are basically going to spread the our budget or the adverts across the globe, and that's why we picked the entire territory. So we don't want to give it an audience. We want it to just go and select the people he thinks it would be better for us. So here, this is where we'll add the video that we want to use for our advert. So I'm just going to again see if I can just search for my name, if it will come up, but if it doesn't, you just need to copy the link to the video and put it right here. So I want to use this very video. All right, so that's a horizontal video and it's going to show on in feed, but we can add multiple videos. So I'm just going to come here and search for another video. So let's say I want to use let's say I want to use this one. So this video is longer than 3 minutes, and that's another thing you need to know. So you want to keep your videos short so that people can be interested and go and check out your channel. All right, so I'm just going to leave this one here. You can run long videos, but 3 minutes or less is going to help you better. So this is where you put your final URL. Your final URL is basically your YouTube channel. So let me see again if I can find my YouTube channel from here. Of course, I should be able to. So I can just go to YouTube. youtube.com/ so that should be my YouTube channel link. If it is not correct, you have to get the correct channel link. So in most cases, they are going to ask you to confirm if it is you. I'm just going to cancel it for now. And this is your display URL. All right. So we want to write a headline. So let's say in my case, I can say start an online business. All right, so this can be my headline, and you can see, let me just confirm this. So this is where you write the description of your advert, what your advert is about. So you can basically use AI to write this. So I'm just going to give you something brief. This is a training on starting an online business. So let's say 2026. All right. So you can basically give your ad a name, and this is where you actually select a bid. So what we did was we gave them the full budget that we wanted to use to run for the advert, but we also need to tell them how much we are willing to pay for each person that views this video. All right. So for each person that views this video, we want to also tell them how much we want to pay. So here you can see here it says that it says you can improve your bid by bidding 0.02. So what I'm going to do, because they said 0.02, or you can just do 0.01. So they are going to try to tell you that they want you to come to this level, but of course you can just say apply, or you can insist on 0.01. So it does not mean that your advert will not run, it will run, but basically you are ready to go. And here you can see the true views. So people will view your video. This is the total impression you expect, and this is how much you want to pay, 0.01. And once you are ready, you can just click on create campaign, and your campaign will go to review, and after review they will be able to either approve it or disapprove it. So if they don't approve it, you have to correct your mistakes and upload it again. But if you wanted to preview how it shows, you can see we selected in feed, and that's why we have only in feed here. If you selected shorts, you'll be able to see the preview for shorts and all of them right here. So you can preview it on how it appears on the desktop. You can improve it how it appears on TV screens, but of course we are not running this on TV screens. So this is basically how you can use Google Ads to promote your YouTube channel. I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. My name is Goodnoel. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.